So the vlog you're about to see is a little bit out of place. It's actually from my nephew's birthday a month ago. You're going to be thinking, how in the slightest is this related to Christmas? Well, just imagine this was a Christmas present, and at Christmas you have about 100 times more presents than you do on your birthday. So this is the reason I have been banned from putting up any kids' toys this Christmas. Enjoy! So, it's my nephew's birthday tomorrow. He's going to be 2 years old, and my sister has a habit of sending pictures to people of what Sebby wants. I think actually it's what my sister wants. She's living vicariously for her kid. So I got designated this trampoline, and for anyone that knows me, I can't put things together at all. So I'm going to try and put this together. Wish me luck. Don't know when he's going to use a trampoline because it's winter. But this was designated to me, so gotta do it. I hope it's not difficult. I really hope this is not difficult to put together. I hope there's like 4 parts and it just slots together. Normally I'll just get Sebby's dad to put this together, but I feel like it's gonna have a lot to put together. I feel like it's my auntie duty to be able to do this. Right, it doesn't look too complex so far. Got that. It's just metal bars, I think. Can't see any screws yet. And some feet. Oh, we might be. There's no instructions! We have to follow the box. Are the instructions on here? To avoid danger of suffocation. Nope, that's not an instruction. Well, I guess we start with the feety things. What ones are those? I'm going to be useless when I have a kid. Like, actually useless. This looks like it just slots in. I hate these things. Get in! It's going well, isn't it? Okay. Woo! Done that bit. And then it just goes round. Is that it? Okay. It's literally useless having letters on things if there's no instructions. Ah. Found them. So, I've been at this trampoline for over an hour now. It's not quite looking like the picture. I'll show you the picture. Here we go. This is what the trampoline should look like. This is what it actually looks like. I think I'm gonna wait for my mum to get home and do it for me. What do you think, Mum? About my trampoline?
It's not together.
I need your help. I can do it, I just need two more hands. So, you gonna help?
Yeah.
3 hours and 20 minutes later, thanks to the help of my mom. This is it. We've only gone and done it. 3 hours and 20 minutes of work. Not sure how I'm going to get that to my sisters now. I shouldn't have put it up, should I? I should not have put it up. Sebby! I can't get in that. Oh god. This is difficult.
Stupid thing.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Oh my god.
Help a friend out.
Oh my god.
I got it in our house.
Fucking hell.
Oh, you're attached to the light. There we go. Oh, wait. Okay.
Oh my god.
There we go. Oh, oh, oh. Sebby! Got you a present.
Seb! What's this?
Trampoline!
Oh, cute.
Gonna jump.
All for you. Look, Seb. For that.
Probably just gonna sit on it, isn't he? Oh no, he's seen the iPad. Cheers, Seb. This is on free to collect in a week. I'm coming after you. 3.5 hours it took me to put up, and you're more bothered by the iPad.
Sebastian,
Oi.
look, you got your own trampoline.